Hi, I'm Benny. I bought a new Bluetooth amplifier. Now I'm going to set it out. Let's get started.